Before buying smtp.com, there are a few key things you need to know to make an informed decision. In this video, I'll cover 7 important factors that will help you understand what you're getting into, especially when compared to other email marketing platforms out there. By the end of this, you'll have a clear picture of whether smtp.com is the right choice for you. First off, smtp.com specializes in reliable email delivery. If you're using email for marketing or business communication, you know how crucial it is for your emails to land in the inbox, not the spam folder. smtp.com's primary focus is on ensuring high deliverability rates, and they offer powerful tools to optimize your email sending practices. This is one area where they shine over some competitors like SendGrid, who may not always have the same level of transparency in deliverability metrics. With smtp.com, you can monitor your sending reputation and tweak your settings to maximize inbox placement. Next thing to consider is ease of integration. smtp.com is incredibly user-friendly, with simple API access for seamless integration into your existing applications. Whether you're using a CRM, an e-commerce platform, or a custom app, it's designed to make adding email functionality quick and easy. In comparison to other services like Mailgun, which might require a bit more technical know-how, smtp.com simplifies the process, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned developers. The third thing you should know is their pricing structure. smtp.com offers competitive rates, and it's a more cost-effective solution if you're looking for basic email sending capabilities. Many users prefer smtp.com for its straightforward pricing, especially compared to services like SendGrid, which can become quite expensive when you scale your email volume. smtp.com gives you access to an affordable entry-level tier that allows you to send a reasonable number of emails per month with flexible plans that scale as your needs grow. The fourth thing is their customer support. With smtp.com, you get access to a knowledgeable support team that's available 24/7, which is a big advantage when you need help with technical issues or have questions about your account. While some competitors, like Amazon SES, can leave you to navigate their vast documentation without much direct help, smtp.com's support team is quick and reliable, ensuring you're never left stranded. Next, let's talk about scalability. smtp.com offers various plans that grow with your business, whether you're a small startup or a large corporation. Unlike other platforms, it doesn't force you into an all-or-nothing plan. You can start small and expand as your business grows. Competitors like MailChimp, on the other hand, may require you to switch to more complex plans as your email volume increases, which can come with additional hidden costs. Now, let's address reporting and analytics. smtp.com provides detailed analytics on your email performance, including delivery rates, open rates, and bounce rates. These reports are essential for fine-tuning your email campaigns. While other platforms offer similar features, smtp.com's reports are often praised for being more accessible and easier to digest compared to those from platforms like Postmark. Lastly, one feature that often gets overlooked is security. smtp.com offers robust security measures, including SSL encryption, to ensure your data is protected. This is crucial for businesses that handle sensitive information. It's one area where they do particularly well compared to some other services that might not provide the same level of protection or require additional steps to secure data. If you're new to smtp.com, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can test out the platform completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Doing so will not only give you a free trial, but also grant you exclusive benefits, so you can see firsthand how smtp.com compares to the competition. So, if you're thinking about integrating email sending into your business or scaling your current strategy, smtp.com is a strong contender. Don't forget to grab your free trial and exclusive benefits by clicking the link in the description below.